Okay, so we've got Monday. Today's Monday. And we're going to go into Sugar WOD. We're going to go into the Ultimate Nutrition Challenge track right there. You'll see the video. Watch that video first. And then we've got the weekly weigh-in link. So when you get your weights in, you're going to click on that link to submit that. And then same thing with your measurements. Once you get those done for this week, and you want to get those done before the end of the week. And then we've got the Google Sheets tracker. So this is where you're going to keep track of the action steps where we're going to be rating our hunger. So you're going to click on that link. It's going to take you to the Google Sheet. And it'll ask if you want to get it open in the app. You totally can. And then you're going to find, so this looks a little bit different. If you're in the, let me go to the app here. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like in the app. So you're going to find your name at the bottom of the page. It's in alphabetical order. Okay, and you're going to find your name and you're going to click on your tab. So let's say I'm going to click on Mindy's. You're going to have the name there and the date. So every day you're going to write the date. You're going to write the time that you're eating. So you're going to do this every time you eat. You're going to log into this. You're going to write the time. Why are you eating? Are you eating because it's lunchtime? Are you eating because you're bored? Are you eating because you're hungry? So I want you to write down why are you eating. And then you're going to choose a hunger rating. And I'm going to go over that in just a second. And the physical signals. So what physical symptoms are you feeling? Are you feeling lightheaded? Do you have a headache? Are you feeling shaky? Do you feel just like your stomach is empty? Are there no physical symptoms and you're just eating something because you're craving it? At this point, I don't care what the reasons are. I don't care. We're not looking for perfection. We're not looking to get it right. We're just looking to notice, to pay attention to these aspects, okay? So this is going to be, this is the hunger scale. This is what we're going to base that rating on. So 0 is your stomach is empty. Maybe even your stomach is growling and you have to eat, okay? You're to this point where you need to eat. And then it goes up from there, but 2, 3, okay, you feel hungry, but you can wait. And this is probably backwards for you too. Anyway, I feel comfortable and satiated. Okay, that's and satisfied. That's 5. And later in this challenge, that's where we're going to learn to find our 5. Right now, we're working on finding 0. Okay, 7 is going to be I feel uncomfortably full. My stomach feels a little bit stretched, and I feel like I overate. 10 is like, I just ate the entire all-you-can-eat buffet and I feel like I need to lay down or loosen my pants. Okay, that's 10, totally overstuffed. So what we're looking for is we're looking for that 0, that I know I'm empty and I can't wait. Okay, so when you want to eat, a good question to ask yourself is, I feel hungry, but can I wait? And if you can wait, you're not at a 0. If you know you can't wait, you need to eat, and you need to eat soon, okay, that's going to be your 0. So write down what you're feeling physically when you get to that point, and then eat. So in this first week or 2, you might not be comfortable with that. Maybe you get to a 4 and you start feeling like I really need to eat. And it takes practice to be able to get all the way to a 0 before you eat. Not only because we're not used to those signals, you're not used to recognizing those, but also we might still be in that place where hunger kind of makes us feel a little anxious, which is going to kind of enhance some physical sensations, and we'll mistake mistake anxiety for hunger. So that's one of those things that's going to be looking for. And that's why I personally like the stomach growl, because it's a physical, I can't mistake that for a mental wanting to eat versus a physical need to eat. But I'm not going to expect you to get to that point, especially at first. So we're just looking for what your 0 is, and we're going to start working toward that. So at the beginning, you may see a lot of 2s, 3s. Hopefully by the end of our second week with finding 0, we're going to get more of those 1s and 0s as we get better at reading our body signals and trusting those. So here's the scale. And we have copies of those that will be at the gym available for you to grab. This is just a kind of summary of the 3 hungers. There's going to be more on that in a video tomorrow. So let me know if you have any questions.